Hello everyone, my name is Asen Huang Junwei, and today I will be talking about research to design. Here you can see the picture here, the structure of this article. It starts, it starts with an introduction to research to design, and followed by 7 examples, and then discussion, and finally the conclusions. And the terms research and design often have different meanings and expectations. Research usually aims to produce general knowledge that can be applied to various fields, while design focuses on creating specific solutions for real-world problems. In research to design, we combine these two processes, design and research, to generate new knowledge by designing and making things, which can lead to innovative and practical outcomes. And research to design was first introduced by Christopher Fleming, the professor, in 1993 in a speech to the RCA students. And here is his paper, the research in art and design, and which he wrote in RCA. And next page, we see here the three small pictures. Research into design means doing design is doing research. And the second one is research to design. Research to design means doing design as a part of doing research. And the third one, research for design. Research for design means doing this research as a part of doing design. Okay, and in this paper, it presents 7 examples, and each example explains what did they learn, how was the knowledge shared with others, and who were they, and what did they do, the methods and the process, and what was made, the role of prototypes. And here I choose 4 examples to introduce. The first one is Westmin's alarm clock. This project where he designed a clock with sliders that allow users to set different emotional moods. This helps explore how design can influence emotional interactions. And next is Garrett's drift table, a coffee table with a small screen that shows an aerial view of the British landscape. Users can shift weights on the table to control the height, the direction, and the speed of the view, making it an interactive exploration tool. And then there is the RIS 2.5D material samples, which focus on 2.5D printing. This project created a variety of 2.5D printed artifacts, exploring the potential of this new technology. The results were shared through visual documentation and exhibitions, inspiring further innovations. Here, some 2.5D material samples. And the final one is the Wright brothers airplane. And their invention of airplane, they use a hands-on approach to develop the wing wrapping technique, allowing their plane to turn, which later evolved into modern wing flaps. This interactive design process is a perfect example of research to design in action. Okay, here are 4 examples. And we come back to discussion. Discussions here have some a number of questions have been discussed by the researchers, like first, what type of knowledge is gained by research to design, and what is the role of the prototype or artifact, and is there a particular way in which research to design projects are carried out, and how is the knowledge communicated, how does it reach its audience, and who are these? And how does research to design relate to other ways of doing research? And can a research to design project have design as a primary goal? And what is the academic place? What does research to design belong? Where does research to design belong? And in here we see some points the author gave us to think. to discuss is activities what we do, research to design, conceiving and producing a prototype and reflecting on the design decisions taken, deploying the prototype in the field study as a means to record contextual situational data or input from people, including data technologies, and using the endeavor of realizing an effect through prototypes to give directions to the and demarcate the research project as a whole. And goals, why we do it, the functionalities, the aesthetics, the practicalities of its production, the motivation, the identities and capabilities of the people for whom the artifact is intended. And one of the research says knowledge and insights like constant aesthetics, design skills, designerly knowledge, politics, values, and other intangible key ingredients in interaction design practice. And third, the process, how we structure it. And research to design process can range from a simple collection of examples to a structured program with various approaches in between the example increasing complex designs. Here is activities and goals and process. It's like what, why, and how. And we can see the picture up here is the right, left. The left people is a designer, and the designer have some learnings and ideas, and then he makes some artifacts and prototype or some sketches, and then through the design process, they get some knowledge, and the knowledge they and the knowledge he gave, and he will teach or communicate to another people or other peoples. Yeah, so it's the research to design process. Okay, we come back. Finally, the conclusions. The conclusion here talks on future directions. Is research to design a promising direction to make use of detailed design skill sets in research? And should it be pursued further? And will it expand our understanding or knowledge? And to sum up, research to design is a big part of academic design, especially in interaction design and HCI, human-computer interactions. But it also connects with other fields like art and engineering. It's not just about improving one product, it's about discovering ideas and principles that can be used in many different areas. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.